Hi friends, in this video we will know about a lot of known and unknown factors about train. Drawing the wheels of the train. Trains were used to transport goods and passengers quickly along railroads. It is the second most fastest form of transport next to airways. Drawing the body of the train. The word train comes from the French word which means to drag or draw. In older days, trains were pulled using rope for its motion, whereas in nowadays, viscosity oil is used for its locomotion. Train travel was made possible by then President Abraham Lincoln's death. In 1865, after his death, his body was taken back through cities using a funeral train. It paved way for the establishment of trains to travel around the world. The magnetic leviation train, also known as maglev bullet train, is the fastest train of Japan in the world. The first railway workshop was established in Bihar before independence in 1862. Indian Railway is the world's fourth largest railway network with 68,000 square kilometers, followed by United States, China and Russia. 4 UNESCO recognized World Heritage Sites are owned by Indian Railways. Isn't it amazing? Darjeeling Himalayan Railway in 1999, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus in Mumbai 2004, Nilgiri Mountain Railway in 2005 and Shimla Railway in 2008. Indian Railways is the world's longest platform is at Gorakhpur Railway Station, Uttar Pradesh with over 1,366 meters of length. The longest train ride in India is from Kanyakumari to Dibrang through Vivek Express, whereas the shortest train ride in India is from Nagpur, Maharashtra to Ajni with over 3 kilometers. The name Diamond Crossing is given to Nagpur railway station where train moves from north, south, east to west, forming the shape of a diamond. The world's highest railway arch bridge is constructed by Indian Railway across River Chenab, Jammu and Kashmir. Longest rail tunnel is Pirpanjal, Jammu and Kashmir with over 11.25 km length. Yellow color. The uppermost part of the train is covered with yellow color. The windows are to be shaded with the blue colors. The oldest still working locomotive train is Fair Queen with the steam engine which runs between Delhi to Alwar. It was built in 1885 with a speed of nearly 40 km per hour. Red color. The train's body is colored with red. Indian Railway was nationalized after 1951. Currently, Indian Railway is Asia's largest railway network. Do you know the most interesting fact is that the slowest train in India is Mettupalayam Ooty Nilgiri Express with a 10 km per hour, whereas the fastest train is Vande Bharat Express, also known as Train 18 with a speed of 160 to 180 km per hour which connects between Chennai to Coimbatore. The most interesting fact is that our train in Sweden generate 5 times the amount of electricity it uses and powers nearby towns as well. The wheels of the train are shaded with purple color. The train looks colorful. The longest train route is found in Moscow with 5,778 miles length. Wow, the train is too colorful with all different colors. Thank you. Let's see in the next video.